In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer project ownership to someone else in Lovable AI. To get started, head over to Lovable AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the specific project that you want to transfer to another person. Make sure you've selected the correct project before moving forward because ownership changes affect who has full control over that project going forward. After opening the project, go to Project Settings. This is where you'll usually find the administrative options related to access, permissions, and collaboration. Inside Project Settings, look for a section labeled Members, Team, or Sharing. The exact wording may vary slightly, but this is typically where user access is managed. Once you're in that area, check whether the person who will become the new owner has already been added to the project. If they haven't, invite them first. This step is important because ownership can usually only be transferred to someone who is already a member of the project. After they've been added, grant them the required permissions to manage the project. In most cases, they'll need elevated access before ownership can be transferred successfully. Next, look for the Transfer Ownership option, if it's available in your version of Lovable AI. If you see it, select it to begin the process. You'll then be asked to choose the new owner from the list of current project members. Carefully select the correct person, especially if your project has multiple collaborators. After choosing the new owner, confirm the ownership transfer when prompted. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so take a moment to review everything before approving it. Once confirmed, the system should process the change and assign ownership to the selected user. Finally, verify that the transfer was completed successfully. A good way to do this is to check that the new owner now has full control of the project and that their permissions reflect owner-level access. If needed, you can also confirm this with them directly to make sure they're able to manage settings, members, and other project-level actions without any issues. That's all it takes to transfer project ownership to someone else in Lovable AI. Just sign in, open the project, go to Project Settings, manage access in the Members, Team, or Sharing section, and complete the transfer carefully so the new owner has full control.